Sometimes, a conversation does not start with a big question. It starts with something small, just a few simple words. You are standing somewhere, maybe in a cafe, maybe in a park, maybe at work. Someone is near you. You look at the same place. You wait for a moment. Then someone says something simple. Nice weather today. You look up, you smile. Yes, it is a beautiful day. This is called small talk. Small talk is a short and friendly conversation. People use it every day. Before work, in a cafe, at a store, or while waiting in line. Small talk helps people feel comfortable. It makes the moment easier. You do not need difficult English. You only need simple sentences. Listen to this example. Nice weather today. Yes, it's very nice, simple, natural, and friendly. Small talk is not about long stories. It is about short moments, a few words, a small smile, a calm conversation. Today we will practice small talk in English. Slowly, clearly, no pressure. Just simple conversation. Take a slow breath. Listen carefully and speak with me. Let us begin. Before this, you heard how a small conversation can begin. Sometimes, people start with something simple. One of the most common topics is the weather. People talk about the weather everywhere. At work, in a cafe, on the street, or while waiting for something. Why? Because everyone can see the weather. It is easy, it is friendly. Let's listen to a simple sentence. Nice weather today. Listen again. Nice weather today. Very simple. Now imagine this moment. You are standing outside a small cafe. Someone next to you looks at the sky. They say, nice weather today. You smile, yes, it is. A small conversation begins. Let's try another example. It's a beautiful day. Listen carefully. It's a beautiful day. You can answer like this. Yes, it is, or yes, it's lovely. Now imagine another moment. You are walking in the park. The sun is warm. The sky is clear. Someone says, beautiful day today. You answer, yes, it's very nice. Small talk is simple like this. Just a few words. But it makes the moment friendly. Let's listen to a short conversation. Nice weather today. Yes, it's beautiful. Do you come here often? Sometimes. You can hear how the conversation grows. It starts with the weather. Then it becomes something more. Now listen to a few more examples. It's very warm today. It's a little cold today. It's a lovely day. All of these are small talk. They are short, they are natural. And people use them every day. You do not need perfect English. Just a simple sentence and a friendly voice. Take a slow breath. Next, we will talk about another easy small talk topic. Now the conversation continues. Before this, you talked about the weather. Nice weather today? Yes, it is a beautiful day. That was a simple beginning. After the weather, people often talk about their day. This is another easy small talk topic. Listen to this question. How is your day? Listen again. How is your day? This question is very common. You hear it at work, at a cafe, or when meeting someone during the day. Now listen to a simple answer. My day is good. Very nice. Another answer. It's a busy day or it's a quiet day. All of these answers are natural. Now imagine this moment. You walk into a small cafe. You see someone you know. They smile and say, hello. You smile back. Hello. They ask, how is your day? You answer calmly, my day is good. The conversation feels easy. Let's listen to a short example. Hello. Hello. How is your day? It's a good day. How about you? Pretty good. You can hear something important. The sentences are short, but they feel friendly. Now listen to a few more examples. It's a busy day today. It's a quiet day today. It's a good day so far. Very simple, very natural. Small talk works like this. Short questions. Short answers, friendly tone. You do not need difficult English. Just simple sentences. Take a slow breath. Next, we will talk about something around you. The place where you are. Now the conversation continues. Before this, you talked about the weather. Then you talked about your day. My day is good. It's a busy day. It's a quiet day. These are simple small talk sentences. Now, people often talk about something around them. The place where they are. Listen to this example. This cafe is nice. Listen again. This cafe is nice. Very simple. Now imagine this moment. You are sitting in a small cafe. Someone next to you looks around. They say, "This cafe is nice." You smile. "Yes, I like it too." A small conversation begins. Let's try another example. This place is busy today. Listen carefully. This place is busy today. You can answer like this. Yes, it is very busy. Or, yes, many people are here today. Now imagine another moment. You are walking in a park. You see the trees. You feel the wind. Someone says, "This park is beautiful." You answer, "Yes, it's very peaceful." Small talk is often about simple things. The weather, your day, or the place around you. Let's listen to a short conversation. This cafe is nice. Yes, I like it. It's very calm here. Yes, it's a good place to relax. You can hear how natural this sounds. Just a few sentences, but the conversation feels friendly. Now listen to a few more examples. This restaurant is very good. This park is beautiful. This street is quiet today. These are simple small talk sentences. People use them every day. Take a slow breath. Next, we will ask some simple friendly questions. Now, the conversation continues. Before this, you talked about the place. This cafe is nice. This park is beautiful. This place is busy today. Small talk often begins like this. Then, people ask a simple question. A friendly question. These questions are short. They help the conversation continue. Listen to this example. Do you come here often? Listen again. Do you come here often? This question means, do you visit this place many times? Now listen to a simple answer. Sometimes. Very natural. Another answer. Yes, I do, or not really. All of these answers are common. Now imagine this moment. You are sitting in a cafe. Someone next to you smiles. They say, "This cafe is nice." You answer, "Yes, it is." Then they ask, "Do you come here often?" You answer calmly, "Sometimes." The conversation continues. Let's listen to another example. Are you busy today? Listen carefully. Are you busy today? You can answer like this. A little, or not really, or yes, a little busy. Small talk questions are simple like this. Short, friendly, easy to answer. Let's listen to a short conversation. This place is nice. Yes, it is. Do you come here often? Sometimes? Are you busy today? Not really. You can hear something important. Small talk is not complicated. It is just a few simple questions and calm answers. You do not need long sentences. Just speak slowly and keep the conversation friendly. Take a slow breath. Next, we will listen to a full small talk conversation. Now, let's listen to a small talk conversation. Before this, you practiced simple questions. Do you come here often? Are you busy today? Now we will hear a short conversation. Listen carefully. Hello. Hello. Nice weather today? Yes, it's a beautiful day. Are you having a good day? Yes, it's a good day so far. How about you? Pretty good. This cafe is nice. Yes, I like it here. It's very calm. Do you come here often? Sometime. What about you? Not very often. But I like this place. Yes. It's a good place to relax. You can hear something important. The conversation is simple, the sentences are short, but it feels natural. Now listen again. Hello. Hello, nice weather today. Yes, it's a lovely day. How is your day? It's going well. How about you? Pretty good. This place is nice. Yes, it's very peaceful. Small talk often sounds like this, just a few friendly sentences. A small question, a short answer, and a calm voice. You do not need difficult English. Just simple words and a friendly tone. Take a slow breath. Next, we will see a real-life, small talk moment. Now imagine a real moment. You are standing in line at a small cafe. People are waiting quietly. You look at the menu. Someone next to you smiles. You smile back. After a moment, they say something simple. Nice weather today. You look outside. The sun is warm. Yes, it's a beautiful day. The conversation begins. They ask another small question. How is your day? You answer calmly, it's a good day. How about you? They nod. Pretty good. The line moves slowly. You both look around the cafe. You say something simple. This place is nice. They agree. Yes, it's very calm here. You feel comfortable. The conversation is easy. They ask one more question. Do you come here often? You think for a moment. Sometimes. What about you? Not very often, but I like this cafe. You both smile. The line moves forward. The small conversation ends, but the moment felt friendly. That is how small talk works. Just a few simple sentences. A small question, a calm answer, and a friendly voice. Take a slow breath. Next, we will finish with a calm closing. Now, you have finished today's small talk practice. You started with something simple. Talking about the weather. Nice weather today. Then you talked about your day. How is your day? After that, you talked about the place around you. This cafe is nice, and you asked friendly questions. Do you come here often? All of these sentences are small, but together, they create a real conversation. This is how small talk works. Simple words, short sentences, and a calm voice. You do not need perfect English. You only need a few friendly sentences. Remember, conversation does not start with big ideas. It often starts with something small. A simple question, a short answer, a small smile. Take your time, speak slowly, and keep practicing. You are improving step by step. Thank you for learning with CalmStep English. We learn slowly here. We learn with care. See you in the next lesson.